Hey there, are you struggling with hearing issues or that annoying ringing in your ears? Well, let me introduce you to Quietum Plus, a natural supplement that could be the game changer you've been looking for. But before we dive in and tell you all the details, I want to actually remind you of something super important. Quietum Plus is only available on its official website, so to ensure you're getting the genuine product, I have included the link to the official site in the description box of this video, so don't risk buying from anywhere else. Now, what is exactly Quietum Plus? Quietum Plus, it's a specially formulated dietary supplement designed to support healthy hearing and overall ear health. So this isn't just a temporary fix, it is a natural science-backed solution that targets the root cause of hearing problems, whether it's due to age, environment factors, or other issues. And unlike other options out there, Quietum Plus doesn't rely on harmful chemicals or risky treatments. Instead, it works holistically, supporting your ear health while also improving your overall well-being. So the formula is packed with all natural ingredients that are proven to benefit your ears and cognitive health. So for example, let's say it includes mucuna purium, which helps to stay calm in the nervous system and reduces stress, and a common trigger for ear issues like tinnitus. They also have hawthorn berry, which also promotes better blood flow to the auditory system. Ginkgo biloba, an ingredient renowned in its own ability to boost memory and fight oxidative stress. And let's not forget about fenugreek, which helps balance blood pressure and support healthy circulation, crucial for maintaining optimal ear function. But here's the key. You need to stay consistent. Quietum Plus isn't an overnight miracle, guys. It's a gradual long-term solution. So most users notice improvement within a few weeks, but the best results come with 2 to 3 months of regular use. So if you are committed to improving your hearing and quality of life, let's say, this supplement could literally be exactly what you need. Let's talk about pricing, guys. Why now is the best time to give Quietum Plus a try? A single bottle costs $69, but if you're looking for the best value, the 6 bottle packages is just $49 per bottle, saving you a significant amount of money. But there's also a 3 bottle package priced at $59 per bottle, and there's also, best part is that both multi-bottle packages include free shipping with US. Every order is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means that you can try Quietum Plus risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the results for any reason, just return the bottles even if they're empty, and you'll get a full refund. No hassle, no questions asked, guys.